There's Sonic climbing in the snow.
I made it up to Mount Everest. I'm done.
He made it to the top of Mount Everest. Well, hello there. It's so hard to get up in the morning when it's cold out. Last night, a cloud descended on our campsite, and so now we're in a cloud, and clouds are cold. Sonic just had breakfast under his quilt, and now we need to get dressed and packed up, but it's so hard because we're so cozy right now. We're only 15.5 miles from the two. Of course, it's 15.5 miles like uphill. Here's the weather this morning. We're in a cloud. Even though we just came out of town yesterday, we're already filthy. We camped right here, and this is like a very fine dust. So we're like chinchillas who have just taken a dust bath.
Yes.
So it's pretty cold this morning, and we're gonna probably get started with mittens and hats and stuff like that. This is so interesting. These pine trees around here burned at some point recently, and it must have burned off all their pine needles, and now they're regenerating. They're coming back, but they have all these short little stubby pine needles all over their branches. Not the big majestic ones you'd imagine for a tree this size. So cool.
Time for second breakfast.
Boy, we have been hiking hard this morning. We practically ran up that big old mountain. And we're almost near the top now as far as we need to go to get to Wrightwood.
We started halfway up the mountain, and then we went all the way, not all the way, just like partially completed it, and now we're taking a break.
We've got about 5 more miles to do today. That lake smells weird.
Mama?
I wonder why it's there. We just arrived in Wrightwood, and we're staying at this really cute hotel. It's got a bed for Sonic and a bed for Mom, a TV for Sonic, a heater, which we need because it's freezing. These very boho chairs, I approve. They look cool and look like they're comfortable. We've got a little fridge. Not sure what this is, like a little closet probably. We're here in our hotel room. It's dark because Sonic has already gone to bed. And I'm worried because the weather here in Wrightwood or up in the St. Gabriels is really, really cold this week. I'm not sure what we should do. We should stay in Wrightwood or go back up. I don't know. I did get today my first blister of the PCT. At mile 350, my first blister. I don't know how that happened. I'm not sure. My socks were not wet. My feet were not dirty. I don't know. Maybe just all that uphill? Not much to look at, I guess. We had some good pizza, and we're working on a very big resupply to get us all the way through the St. Gabriels. Oh no, it's a little bit stressful going into this section with a long food carry and bad weather. But we'll see. Anyway, good night.